Okay, everyone, imagine up to the serenity of nature in a stunning off-grid tiny house. With its unique angle design, warm wooden exterior, and massive windows, this modern retreat blends seamlessly into the landscape and built on a hill with a spacious front deck. And this tiny home offers the perfect escape for the busy world. From the busy world, I mean. Ready to explore this architectural masterpiece? Let's dive in. And wow, okay, it's absolutely next level right off the bat. And you can see how the angular design gives this space such a bold and modern feel. It's not just a boxy tiny home. Has sharp, unique lines that create a sense of movement throughout the space. And this massive glass window, wow, they don't just let in tons of natural light, but they also offer an uninterrupted view of the outdoors. It feels like the house is blending with natural instead of being separated from it. Okay, and now check this out. The geometric ceiling, I absolutely love this. It's not your typical flat sailing. Instead, it has this cool angle that mirror the exterior design of the house. And this adds so much character to the space and make it feel more dynamic. And because the ceiling is high, it really makes the tiny house feel way more spacious than it actually is. Moving on to the kitchen, I have to say I am super impressed with how functional and stylish it is. And the layout is smart with everything you need in the compact space. And you have got plenty of counter space and modern cabinetry and sleek minimalist design that fits perfectly with the overall aesthetic of the house. Plus, the warm wooden siding adds such a cozy touch to balance out the modern angles. It's just beautiful. And okay, let's talk about the loft bed. First of all, I love that they have used a staircase instead of a ladder, and that's always a huge plus because it makes accessing the loft so much easier. And just like the rest of the house, and the loft gets plenty of natural light thanks to the large windows, and it's cozy but not cramped. And the view from up here, incredible. This is the kind of place where you would wake up feeling refreshed every single day. And also, now, this is a little lounge setup is so well thought out. You have got a small table and comfy chair, and making it the perfect spot to read, work, and or just relax with a cup of coffee. And the placement of the furniture keeps everything feeling open and uncluttered, which is super important in a tiny home. And of course, the glass window ensure that you always feel connected to nature, even when you are inside. I mean, just imagine sitting here on a rainy day, watching the drops fall against the glass, and so peaceful. And this is what really makes this tiny home special. The wooden deck extends out from the house, giving you the perfect spot to take in the surrounding scenery, whether it's sipping coffee in the morning, stargazing at night, or just enjoying the fresh air. This deck turns the entire house into an indoor outdoor living experience. It's like having a front row seat to nature beauty every single day. And I have to say, I am blown away by this tiny house. And the combination of its unique angular design, the geometric ceiling, the warm wooden siding, and those huge glass window, it all comes together perfectly. And the interior feels open, bright, and super functional, and the outdoor deck just adds to the experience. This tiny home proves that you don't need massive space to live in style and comfort. We are diving into one of the most stunning and modern bathroom design I've ever seen. And this is not just any bathroom, it's part of beautifully crafted modern wooden house that blends architecture with nature in the most incredible way. And get this, it has a luxury bathtub, massive windows with a breathtaking forest view, and a geometric ceiling that add a futuristic touch. Honestly, if I had a bathroom like this, I don't think I would ever want to live. So let's jump right in and let's check it out. On wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. The moment you step into this bathroom, you can tell it's something special. And the first thing that grabs my attention is the huge glass window. And just look at that. Instead of feeling boxed in like a traditional bathroom, the space is completely open to nature, and you can literally take a bath while gazing out at the beautiful forest scenery. And how amazing is that? And check this out. And the geometry planner ceiling is just next level. It's not your typical flat ceiling. Instead, it has this angle architectural design that make the space feel dynamic and unique. And it's like the entire bathroom has been sculptured and perfection, and the way the angle interact with the light creates such modern artistic vibe. It's small details like this that really take a design to the next level. And now, I love how they combine modern design with natural material. The wooden siding brings so warm to the space, balancing out the sleek glass and geometric elements. It makes the bathroom feel cozy yet luxurious at the same time. It's like stepping into a high-end spa that's completely immersed in nature, and I can already imagine how peaceful it would feel to get ready in a space like this even every morning. Okay, and we have to talk about this bathtub. This is not just any bathtub, it's a fully on luxury soaking tub. And it's deep, sleek, and positioned perfectly near the window, and so you can completely relax while enjoying the view. And can you imagine taking a warm bath here after a long day, surrounded by the calming sight of trees? It's the ultimate spa experience. Can you uh, right in your home anyway? And now moving here, we have the toilet and vanity area. Again, everything is designed with such a clean, modern aesthetic, and the sink is beautifully minimalist with a sleek mirror, and that helps reflect light and make the space feel even bigger. And of course, the exhaust fan is important addition to keep the air fresh, and even the smallest details in this bathroom are thoughtfully placed to enhance both functionality and aesthetic. And this this is what truly sets this bathroom apart. The wooden deck extends right from the house, meaning you can step outside straight from the bathroom and take in the fresh air. And imagine waking up, taking a shower, and then stepping out there with a cup of coffee, surrounded by nothing but trees and the sounds of nature. And this not just a bathroom; it's an experience. And I'm blown away by this bathroom. Um, the combination of natural materials, the sleek modern design, and the connection to nature make this one of the most incredible tiny homes bathroom I've ever seen. And the huge window, the geometry ceiling, and the luxury bathtub, and the outdoor deck, everything comes together perfectly. And it's a space that feels both high-end and tranquil, and proving that even bathroom can be a work of art. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now is only focus on the theme of material and color composition. And this does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronizing layout between the exterior and also the exterior. And however, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about useful ideas and useful inspiration. And thanks for watching until the end, and thanks for enjoying this video until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and just wait for my next great tiny home videos. And have a good day.